Friends, today we model this part. It has some interesting features and the drawing is here with all dimensions. We start by using these dimensions 13, 13.5, 10. This is the center point. The extrusion will have 65. Let's start. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane. We draw a line, horizontal line. Then we press the left button of the mouse and go right here. Horizontal, close. This point is coincident with the center point. This is 13.5. This is 10. And this is 13. Finish sketch. Extrude the other direction. 65. We have the first volume. Next is this feature, a revolution feature with this axis and dimensions 74, radius 6, angle of 20 and 12. You must be careful with these 3 points. This is the start point. Here is the intersection with this. This is perpendicular here, and we have to respect all this data. We use XZ plane for a new sketch. Then we draw a line from here, sloped, press the left button and draw the small arc, then press the left button and draw the larger arc, project this to make coincident this line with this point and place on the same vertical this point with the center point. Then dimensions. This is 20 degrees. This is 74, 12, radius 6, radius 180. This line must be center line, and we have everything fully constrained to apply revolve on 180 degrees, this direction, not this direction. Yes. Okay. Now we have to cut this extension at this level, so we create a plane at 0 distance to apply that split. What is the tool? The cutter. The cutter is this plane. What is the direction of cutting? This. We cut this, not the other. Okay. Hide the plane. Good. Now we have to create this feature. You see the radius 13.5, which is 1 millimeter difference with this, and a thickness of 1 millimeter. Let's do this. We turn the part, we select this face, we project all that face, then we eliminate this, by selecting this delete and this delete. We apply offset of this with dimensions 14.5 minus 13.5, dimensions in the drawing. 1 millimeter. We connect this point with this point, and we draw all the line, my friends, because we don't care about the internal entities. Now we have to place another dimension here. Now let's see what is the missing dimensions. Apply, remove, done. Nothing. Good. Finish sketch, extrude this or this, all these elements the other direction with join on 1 millimeter thickness. Okay. Now we see this fillet radius 1.5. Let's apply this. We select this edge and 1.5. Now we apply the thickness of 1.5 by using the tool shell. Let's do this. Shell, we eliminate this face, and this face with the 1.5. Okay. Next is this wing. To create it, we need to apply a 4 millimeters line on this side. We select that side for a new sketch and we draw a line starting from here going to somewhere. Distance is 4 millimeters. Finish sketch. We use the tool plane to select this face, this line, and to apply 90 minus 23 degrees. Okay, we have a plane. We use it to create this contour with all these dimensions. I don't mention them. You see here also a slot. We'll use the bottom face, not this one. Sketch, we turn back the part, new sketch, project this line, then hide the sketch, the previous sketch, and we have this line. Take care it is not ending here. And this is important. We draw some lines and arcs. This is the first line, a sloped one. Press the left button, go here, vertical, this is vertical, press the left button, go here, then here, and to the line. We have to draw this line. Good. Now we apply tangent to the last combination. Dimensions here are 4 millimeter to here, and now we are outside the projected line. Yes, this is important now. This is 3, the angle of 50, the radius of 10, radius of 4, then the distance of 36 is here, this is 47, and there is a length of 25 here. We have a fully constrained sketch, but we have to draw a slot. Slot, center to center, the distance is 13 here, also 13 is this side, 7 is this distance, and another dimension is the radius 1.5. Fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch. Extrude this on this direction. OK. What is the dimension? 1.5. Hide this plane, and we can collapse all the features here. Now I see that this shell is 1 millimeter, and in the drawing we know that must be 1.5. Double click here, and 1.5 is the dimension. Okay. Now let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy the volume, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is just the same. We don't apply the new value because it is identical with the other. The material is ABS plastic, and here is medium gray. We use view to apply shaded, simple shaded, and not default IVL but default lights. Okay, now we can compare the two parts and we don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.